Somebody once said that WebCon BPS is not an exact science. There is definitely a variety in how different companies will approach the exact same scenarios. Whether we are talking about broad things like application and process design or form layouts and styling, but also very specific things like what should your business rules look like. Let's look at this example from WebCon Academy. We have a nice big multi-line field to type in the description, but we can also mark this box to say that we will provide the description as an attachment. Now we want to make sure that this attachment is actually included. This in itself can be done in a number of ways. But let's say we go with a validate form action on the path that would take us to the next step. In this action, we first check if the checkbox is marked, and here we make our first decision. The field value is a boolean yes/no value, so we can just leave it as it is. But maybe we can add an equals true because it looks cleaner that way. I don't know, but I like it. Now to also check if an attachment exists, we can add an AND operation and say that if the checkbox is marked and there is no attachments, then we will fail the validation. Otherwise, the validation succeeds. This is one way, but instead of this AND operation, we can write the entire business rule with two ifs instead. If the checkbox is marked, then we check if there are no attachments. And if both these ifs are satisfied, we fail the validation. In any other case, the validation is successful. Which of these styles is more correct? Well, whichever looks better to you. The format that is more legible to you and your colleagues and easier for you to digest and document is the better format. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the Quick Tips playlist or sign up for the full course at academy.webcon.com.